Welcome into topic 4 DQ2. This is very similar, and it even says here to topic 3 DQ1, but we're still going to walk through it. I know it says no video, but I'm making the video. All right, let's go ahead and read this. Here we will practice with some formulas that you will often need to use throughout this class. If you format these correctly, then the computed value should inherit the correct formatting. So let's read. Compute the monthly payments. So this formula over here is for monthly payments to pay back a loan of $2,200. So my principal, or my starting amount, $2,200. And we'll format this in a second. In 5 years, so time is 5 years, it says monthly payments, and it was also compounded monthly, so 12. And it says our interest rate, very high interest rate of 20.29. And we're going to make sure everything's formatted first. So it looks like this automatically formatted. I'm going to format this. I'm not sure if we need to, but just so it looks uniform. Currency, 2 decimals. Now all we have to do to find the periodic payment is type in this ugly formula here. We're going to use the cells that we've already decided over here for P, R, N, and T. So we will say equals. We want our principal, so I'm going to click on it. Times, and then it says parenthesis R divided by N. That's the first part. N parenthesis divided by, and then we have another parenthesis. Let's see, make sure I'm not missing any. Looks like we're good. And we have 1 minus parenthesis 1 plus R again divided by N. N parenthesis raised to, and you got to be careful because there's a negative sign hiding in here. So parenthesis negative sign N times T, N parenthesis, that one closes the exponent, and we need one more to close the denominator. And enter. We'll get to formatting this in a second. Next it says total paid. So this is the payment. Now the total paid would be the payment and how often we paid it. We paid it for every month for 5 years. Enter. And the last part is, if this is the total you paid, this was the initial loan amount, the difference is going to be the interest paid. So this is just going to be equals the total paid minus, and I got to go back here, the initial loan amount. Oh, let's make sure I clicked the right one. Nope, let's see, I must have clicked the wrong one. Where is that hiding? B17. So I-19 minus B17. Enter. Now this one, it looks like it's already formatted, but let's format the other ones. So I'll just highlight all of them because they're all going to be dollar amounts with 2 decimals. I will right click. We will go to format cell, currency, and 2 decimals is already preset, so we'll click OK. Oh, did I have it on currency? Let's try that again. Highlight cells, I must have had it on number. Format cells, currency, there we go. And that is it for topic 4 DQ2.